How to create a zip file for photos and videos in iPhone or any other Android devices. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up your App Store or Play Store on your Android device. Then tap on the source icon. Now type ZArchiver. Now tap on search at the bottom right corner. Now wait for some time. Now tap on ZArchiver. Let me remind you that this application is available for both Android and iOS. Now simply tap on install. Now after installing, simply tap on open. Now give the permissions. Now simply go back. Now tap on the empty space on the top bar. Now select your photo storage. Go to your photos folder. Now keep holding the photos or videos you want to archive. Now tap on three dots. Now tap on multi-select. Now select the photos and videos. Tap on three dots. Now tap on the tick icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the download option. Now select the format. Now tap on OK. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.